coming up on 622, and everywhere I go, the most common question is, when is it going to rain? And you can understand why it is on the forefront of so many of our minds. We've had some rain, don't get me wrong, across the state, but there are a lot of us that have been missing out, so much so that we do have a moderate drought over in Powhatan as well as in Amelia, portions of Chesterfield, and then it's very dry south of the city going into the Tri-Cities as well as Emporia down around South Hill. So any kind of rain is good. Every drop does count and it does make a difference, especially when you get it overnight. Anytime we have these rain showers during the daytime, a lot of that gets evaporated because of the sunshine. In the evening time, we are able to see all of that soak into the soil so much better. We had some activity overnight. It's still pretty wet and it is definitely muggy. Current temperature 74 degrees. Our dew point is at 71 with our winds out of the east at 10 miles per hour. That easterly component is going to continue to draw in quite a bit of moisture, and we're going to notice it in the way of clouds and even some drizzle. So with so much cloud cover anticipated today, temperatures that are currently in the 70s really aren't going to warm too much. We're going to stay quite stagnant from start to finish. So when you step outside, if you're a little cool, you're a little warm, that's how it's going to be all day long, as temperatures will be holding steady in the mid-70s. Tomorrow when you wake up, will be a little bit cooler with numbers in the 60s. These winds are going to continue to move their way out of the east-northeast, and that's going to allow some moisture to push on shore. So we've got a very low cloud deck. At times, it's going to feel as if you can even touch the clouds. They're going to be that close, and it is going to be quite misty on and off throughout the day. And we'll see some lighter drizzle taking place as that easterly wind will continue to push the moisture on shore. This is also very helpful to a drought. I know we're not going to see a ton of rain. In fact, we'll be less than a quarter of an inch. Majority of you, less than a tenth of an inch when all is said and done. But every drop will make a difference, especially when it's not getting evaporated out. Temperatures today hover in the 70s all day long. Bring your own sunshine because it's going to be gray. Tomorrow we'll have a high of 85, which starts out dark and then ends up very nice and sunny. 88 going into our Sunday, and then Monday the 90s are back, but we will see some relief by the end of next week. Rob, Reba.